Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie V and today I'm going to be testing out these Japanese tablet face masks to see if they work with makeup remover to create a makeup removing face mask. Am I crazy? We'll find out. So a while ago, Doug and I sat down and did a live face mask Friday where we tested out these tablet type face masks where basically you get a little tablet wrapped in plastic, put it in a liquid like a toner or a serum or something, and let the tablet soak that up, and then it folds open into a full face mask. This is a little 10-pack that I got at a Japanese dollar store for a couple of bucks. So pretty affordable to get if you can find them, and they're kind of a cool experience. So I would recommend you try them out. This is apparently by the brand Makoto, but I'm sure you can find lots of different brands of these tablet face masks. The instructions are pretty simple. You just soak the mask in your product, put it on your face, and it looks like it says 10 to 15 minutes is how long you leave it on. Of course, that would probably depend on whatever you want to mix them with, but it's a kind of cool customizable little dealio. They do say to make sure not to get the tablets wet with your product, otherwise you will have a bunch of expanded tablets. So my big question was, what if we use these tablets with a makeup remover to have a makeup removing face mask? That sounds so intriguing to me that that's what we're going to test out today. So let me first of all get my hair out of my face. And as you can see, I'm wearing a full face of makeup here. We've got blush, foundation, eyebrows, eyes, lips, the full kit and caboodle highlighter. So the first thing that I'm gonna do here is open up my Bioderma and add a splash of product to the tray. Next, I'm just gonna cut open the plastic protective layer off of one of these tablets. And then I'm just going to dunk it right into the product. You can see it completely expands as it soaks up the product. And I feel like we could add a little bit more to make sure it's fully saturated. This is a lot of Bioderma. Probably a bit of a waste of product. It looks like it stops soaking up product, but if I flip it, that's pretty much soaked up all of that Bioderma. So that is a lot of makeup remover. Next, let's go ahead and unfurl the face mask. And voila. Let's go ahead and throw it on. It smells like Bioderma. Throw my glasses on there to help seal it in. And another pretty critical flaw in my plan here is the fact that your eyes will not get covered with Bioderma. So maybe I'll let this soak in for a few minutes and then we can use the sheet mask to soak up some of the other areas where I still have makeup on my face. You can see though, I pretty much filled up this little tray with Bioderma twice. So there should be quite a bit of product on my face. While we're waiting, I think maybe I'll just pack this back up. What really inspired me to try this was Patrick Starr's One Size Beauty. He has that makeup remover in a can, which I was pretty impressed with, honestly. And that just kind of got me thinking of other really fun ways to take off your makeup. So, is this fun? Yes, I'm having a lot of fun right now. Let's try Stroganoff Bro lip product. So it's gonna miss the tip of my nose, but that should be okay. I feel like we've had a couple good minutes of soaking up power. Here's what the back of my mask looks like. You can see it really took off a lot of eye makeup where it was touching my eye. Doing it this way is super effective, but honestly it just feels like a really smooth, silky face cloth. How's this for scary? All right, that took a lot less time than I thought it would. I don't know what I expected, but overall, I think you'd agree it's pretty super effective here. I have pretty much taken off all of my makeup with the face mask. You can see my whole makeup journey on the mask here. Overall, I think it worked super well. Now, would I recommend doing this regularly? No. I think it's pretty much, I think I did waste quite a bit of product doing this. I could see this as a really nice treat if you are just kicked up to high heaven in makeup, maybe after a special event where you're using a lot of heavy base. This could kind of just like help sit on your skin and break up that makeup, so when it comes to actually removing it, you're just very gently gliding over the skin and the majority of the heavy lifting is done for you. I think you need to do some testing to see how much Bioderma you actually need to fully saturate the mask, because I do think I used maybe a bit too much product. It's not dripping or anything, it feels very nicely saturated. I think I just got shocked by having to fill up the little tray twice with product, where normally I use like a couple pumps to take off my whole face. But overall, this was a super fun experiment. I think this is probably so far my favorite way to use those face mask tablets, so maybe I'll just hold on to them till a special occasion where I need some heavy duty makeup removing TLC. And yeah, I think if you want a fun gimmick as a makeup artist like this, or a skin esthetician or something, this could be a part of a very gentle makeup removing regime. Yeah, anyway, what was the point in this video? I don't know, I just wanted to see what would happen. Hope you're satisfied. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video and hanging out and having some fun messing around with makeup products today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more beauty videos from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Friday. I also stream on Twitch on Mondays. You can catch me anytime on my Discord server linked down below. A huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys, and a huge shout out to you for watching. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!